You search for how to buy shares of Siriuspoint Ltd, and this short video shows a practical step-by-step process. Siriuspoint Ltd is a global reinsurance company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SPNT, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and you will need to add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SPNT to find Siriuspoint Ltd. Select the result that matches NASDAQ and the SPNT ticker to ensure you have the correct listing. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing. Verify the company name, the NASDAQ exchange, and the SPNT ticker to make sure it is the right stock. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you wish to purchase, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next open, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the trade completes. Once executed, your Siriuspoint position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this demonstration.